Shanghai's cultural venues and tourist spots are gradually reopening to the public starting Friday with controlled capacity and enhanced health protocols. They include museums, galleries, and all Class A tourist attractions. The daily visitor flow of indoor venues is capped at 50% of their regular capacity, while that of outdoor locations is at 75%. Located in the financial hub of Lujiazui, the Museum of Art Pudong is a public art museum and a cultural landmark of the city.
非常的激动，当然也觉得特别的幸福特别是今天迎来的这个第一位小观众，主要的影响还是在一些档期上的冲突，我们会就是尽快的把这些展都调整到位，但是我们已经目前可以预见到，一定会持续的有各种各样的精彩的重磅的大展推出的。
Shanghai Tower, China's tallest building, reopened its Top of Shanghai Observatory tourist attraction on Friday.
然后消杀的话，我们是每天对一些游客可以接触的位置是2小时一次。我觉得观光厅在应对这些公共卫生突发事件的时候，有更多的一些预先的准备工作。
Shanghai, China's financial hub with a population of 25 million, announced on May 17 that it had cut off the community transmission of COVID-19 in all its 16 districts. The city has been gradually resuming dine-in services at restaurants starting from Wednesday.